Welcome back. Now, if you go to the account settings area, you're going to see at the very bottom, there are going to be 5 more areas. In particular, you're going to see the integrations area. And you'll typically do integrations when you have a need for them. So for example, when you click Add New Integrations, you're going to see that there are several categories of integrations, and when you run into these situations, you will use those integrations. You'll also see that there are payment gateway integrations. For example, if we were to click Add New Payment Gateway, what you're going to see is that there are several gateways that you can use in order to sell your particular product. You're also going to see email integrations for SMTP. Now, if you're going to use your own transactional emails, perhaps because your emails are not being delivered, you can use a system with ClickFunnels by adding in the integration in the email integrations area. We will approach this topic in a future video. What you will also see is that you can change the subdomain to a specific domain that you are using with your particular website so that you can brand all of your ClickFunnels pages. And you will also be able to globally unsubscribe individuals from your campaigns. What we're going to do now is we're going to set up a domain. In the next video, we will go through the process of setting up a subdomain from our domain registrar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.